In May 1883, the 13-year-old Mohandas was married to 14-year-old Kasturba Bai Makhanji Kapadia. Her first name was usually shortened to Kasturba and the other half to Ba in an arranged marriage, according to the custom of region at that time. In the process, he lost a year at school but was later allowed to make up by accelerating his studies. His wedding was a joint event where his brother and cousin were also married. Recalling the day of their marriage, he once said, "As we did not know much about marriage, for us it meant only wearing new clothes, eating sweets, and playing with relatives. As was prevailing tradition, the bride was to spend much time at her parents' house and away from her husband." Writing many years later, Mohandas described with regret the lustful feelings he felt for his young bride. "Even at school, I used to think of her, and the thought of nightfall and other subsequent meeting was ever haunting me." In late 1885, Gandhi's father, Karamchand, died. Gandhi, then 16 years old, and his wife of age 17, had their first baby, who survived only a few days. The two deaths angushed Gandhi. The Gandhi couple had four children, all sons: Harilal, born in 1888, Manilal, born in 1892, Ramdas, born in 1897, and Devdas. In November 1887, the 18-year-old Gandhi graduated from high school in Ahmedabad. In January 1888, he enrolled at Sambaldas College in Bhavnagar State, then the sole degree granting institution of higher education in the region. But he dropped out and returned to his family in Porbandar. On 4th September, he sailed from Bombay to London. His brother saw him off. Gandhi attended University College, London, which is constituent college of University of London. Gandhi's birthday, 2nd October, in India is treated as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi is commonly, though not formally, considered the father of nation in India. Gandhi is also called Bapu. In Gujarati, endearment for father, Papa. Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 into an Indian Gujarati Hindi Modh Bania family in Porbandar, also known as Sudhamapuri, a coastal town on the Kathiawar Peninsula and then part of small princely state of Porbandar in the Kathiawar agency of the Indian Empire. Gandhi was born and raised in a Hindu family in a coastal Gujarat, Western India, and trained in law at the Inner Temple, London. Gandhi first employed non-violent civil disobedience as an lawyer in South Africa. In the resident Indian community's struggle for civil rights, after his return to India in 1915, he set about organizing peasants, farmers, and urban laborers to protest against their excessive land tax and discrimination. Assuming leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for various social causes and for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Gandhi led Indians in challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 400-kilometer Dandi Salt March in 1930, and later in calling for British to quit India in 1942. He was imprisoned for many years upon many occasions in both South Africa and India. He lived modestly in a self-sufficient residential community and wore the traditional Indian dhoti and shawl, woven with yarn hard spun on a charkha. He ate simple vegetarian food and also undertook long fast as a means of both self-purification and political protest. Gandhi's vision of an independent India based on the religious pluralism was challenged in early 1940s by new Muslim nationalism, which was demanding separate Muslim homeland carved out of India. In August 1947, Britain granted independence, but the British Indian Empire was partitioned into two dominions, a Hindu majority India and Muslim majority Pakistan. As many displaced Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs made their way to their new lands, religious violence broke out, especially in the Punjab and Bengal. Gandhi visited the affected areas, attempting to provide condolence to them. In the months following, he undertook several fasts till his death to stop religious violence. Today is the birthday of a legend, Mahatma Gandhi. Let's stand for our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे